Hey foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the future of cooking with 5 smart kitchen gadgets that will revolutionize the way you prepare meals and save you tons of time. If you love cooking but hate the hassle, stay tuned because these gadgets are game changers. 1. Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus. First up, we have the Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus, a versatile multifunctional kitchen appliance that revolutionizes cooking. It combines 10 appliances in one, including a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and more. With 48 customizable presets, it simplifies meal preparation, allowing you to cook a variety of dishes quickly and efficiently. The large, easy-to-read display and user-friendly interface make it perfect for both beginners and experienced cooks. Its advanced safety features ensure worry-free cooking, while the quick and even heating technology ensures consistently delicious results. The Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus is an essential addition to any modern kitchen. Ideal for busy professionals who need quick meal preparation, families looking to consolidate kitchen appliances, cooking enthusiasts who enjoyed experimenting with different recipes and techniques. Overall, the Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus is a powerful and versatile kitchen tool that simplifies cooking while offering a wide range of functionalities. 2. Anova Precision Cooker Nano. Next on our list is the Anova Precision Cooker Nano, a compact, user-friendly sous vide device that brings professional cooking techniques to your home kitchen. Designed for precision, it ensures perfectly cooked meals every time by maintaining precise temperatures. Simply attach it to any pot, set your desired temperature through the Anova app, and let it work its magic. Ideal for meat, fish, and vegetables, this device guarantees restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. Its sleek design and Bluetooth connectivity make it convenient and easy to store. The Anova Precision Cooker Nano is perfect for anyone looking to elevate their cooking with precise, consistent results. Ideal for home cooks who are new to sous vide cooking, those looking for an affordable yet high-quality sous vide device, users who appreciate the convenience of remote control and access to guided recipes. 3. Breville Smart Oven Air. Moving on, we have the Breville Smart Oven Air, a versatile countertop oven that transforms your cooking experience with its multiple functions, including air frying, roasting, dehydrating, and proofing. Equipped with Element IQ technology, it distributes heat evenly for precise and consistent results. Its spacious interior can accommodate large meals, making it perfect for families. The digital display and intuitive controls simplify operation, while the super convection setting reduces cooking time by up to 30%. Whether you're baking crispy fries, roasting a whole chicken, or dehydrating fruits, the Breville Smart Oven Air delivers exceptional performance, making it an essential addition to any modern kitchen. Ideal for home cooks looking for a versatile appliance that can replace several kitchen devices, families needing a larger capacity oven for various cooking tasks, health-conscious individuals interested in air frying and dehydrating foods. 4. NutriBullet Balance. Our fourth gadget is the NutriBullet Balance, a revolutionary smart blender that takes nutrition tracking to the next level. With built-in Bluetooth technology, it connects to the NutriBullet Balance app to provide real-time nutritional information for every blend. This ensures you can monitor and optimize your intake of calories, protein, carbs, and more. Its powerful motor and precision blades effortlessly blend fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds into smooth, nutrient-packed beverages. The sleek design and intuitive interface make it easy to use and clean. Perfect for health-conscious individuals, the NutriBullet Balance helps you achieve your fitness goals with delicious, personalized smoothies every time. The NutriBullet Balance app, available for both iOS and Android, provides personalized recipes and tracks the nutritional content of your smoothies, including calories, protein, carbs, fat, and more. The app allows you to set and track personal nutrition goals and customize recipes based on dietary preferences and restrictions. Ideal for health enthusiasts who want to monitor and improve their nutritional intake. Busy individuals seeking quick and easy ways to prepare nutritious smoothies and shakes. Those looking for a high-tech solution to personalize their dietary habits. 5. Meter Plus Smart Meat Thermometer. Last but not least, we have the Meter Plus Smart Meat Thermometer. This wireless thermometer makes grilling and roasting a breeze. Just insert it into your meat, and it will monitor the temperature and send alerts to your phone when your food is ready. Ideal for grilling, roasting, and smoking, it has a range of up to 165 feet, allowing you to monitor your cooking from anywhere in your home. Easy to use and water-resistant, the Meter Plus takes the guesswork out of cooking, ensuring juicy, perfectly cooked results every time. ideal for home cooks and grill enthusiasts who want to achieve precise and consistent cooking results. Those who appreciate the convenience of wireless technology and app connectivity. Anyone looking to improve their grilling or smoking techniques with guided assistance. So there you have it, 5 smart kitchen gadgets that will save you time and elevate your cooking game. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on our latest videos. Let us know in the comments which gadget you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.